Hello guys, I am from GoGrass Maths. I am going to explain some concepts related to chapter 4 determinants of NCERT 12 mathematics. First of all, I shall discuss what is determinant. Determinant is a square matrix related with a number. Definition of determinant is determinant is a square matrix related with a number. Determinant is a square matrix related with a number. What is a square matrix? A square matrix is a matrix which have the same order. This means that number of columns is equal to number of rows. In a square matrix, number of rows will be equal to number of columns. If the matrix is of order 2 cross 2, this means that number of rows is 2 and number of columns is also 2. If the matrix is of order 3 cross 3, this means that number of rows is 3 and number of columns is also 3. That will be known as square matrix. Determinant is a square matrix related with a number. How determinant is expressed? Determinant is expressed with a symbol. This is the symbol of determinant. R date are two parallel vertical lines. Two parallel vertical lines. Suppose date A can be written as determinant of A let matrix A equal to A input 1 1, A input 1 2, A input 2 1, A input 2 2. The matrix A, the elements of first row A 1 1, A 1 2, A 2 1, A 2 2. This matrix is of order 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2. This means that number of rows are 2 and number of columns are also 2. Here you can see these two represent number of rows and these two represent number of columns. Since number of rows is 2 and number of column is also 2. So 2 by 2 this is matrix. Then we can find date A date A is equal to date elements of first row A11, A12, elements of second row A21, A22. Implied that date A equal to, open here curly bracket, A input 11 dot A input 22 minus A input 12 dot A input 21. Date A equal to, this is known as A input 11, A input 22. This is known as principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. The elements of principal diagonal are A input 11, A input 22, and A21, A12 are the elements of reverse diagonal. Reverse diagonal. A input 1 and A input 1 2 are the elements of reverse diagonal, and A11 and A22 are elements of principal diagonal. So date A, we have got A11, A22 minus A12 dot A21. This determinant is also of order 2 cross 2. This determinant we have got from square matrix. This square matrix is of order 2 cross 2. Now, here I shall take a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Let the matrix A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Here I have let the matrix A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then matrix A, elements of first row I shall take A11, A12, A13. Elements of second row I shall take A21, A22, A23. Elements of third row I shall take A31, A32, A33. A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Elements of first row A11, A11, A12, A13. Elements of second row A21, A22, A23. Elements of third row A31, A32, A33. Then this is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then we can find easily date A. Date A is equal to, date A comes out to be date A11, A12, A13. Elements of first row A11, A12, A13. Elements of second row A21, A22, A23. Elements of third row A31, A32, A33. Of order 3 cross 3. A11, A12, A13 are elements of first row. Elements of second row are A21, A22, A23. Elements of third row A31, A32, A33. So what to do next? Next I shall find the value of date A. Date A value I shall take here. Here I shall explain, elaborate the date A. Date A comes out to be on expanding date A along first row. So here I shall write on expanding date A along first row R1. On expanding date A along first row R1. So we shall get, here you can see first row. First row, this is the notion. Sign, I shall elaborate sign like this. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Sign, first row, in first row, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. In first row plus sign is written, so here write plus. Plus sign will be written, write in bracket. After that, this element with sign will be represented. So here you can see element 1 1 has the sign plus. So here sign, right here plus A11. A11. After that, what will do? Into minor of A11. The minor of A11 comes out to be, don't write like this, into minor of A11. A11 का माइनर मल्टीप्लाई होगा दिस वैल्यू से. After that I shall write plus, I have written, then write here minus. Minus sign is fixed here. Minus sign is fixed here. minus sign is fixed here. This is plus. Here write minus. After that, here write. Here you can see second element of first row A1 2. So here write plus A1 2 plus A1 2 1 2 again into minor of A1 2 minor of A1 2 A1 2 का माइनर मल्टीप्लाइड करेगा प्लस A1 2 here minus is fixed. After that write plus. Again I shall take the element A13. So here write plus A13 into minor of A13. So again I shall write implied that date A equal to plus, here write in bracket plus A11 multiply to minor of A11. A11 का minor I shall take from this place. In order to get the minor of A11, first row will get hidden and first column will get hidden. First row and first column will get hidden in order to get the minor of A11. So, hide this one, you will get A22, A23, A22, A23, A32, A33. Now we have got the minor of A11, A22, A23, A32, A33. After that I shall write here minus. This thing I shall write in bracket plus A12 into. This means that we have to get the minor of A12. The A12 minor, since the element 1 2 is there in first row, the first row will be hidden and second column will be hidden. First row. This is first row. The first row will be hidden and second column will be hidden. We will get the minor of A12 as A21, A23. Right here A21, A23, A31, A33. A21, A23, A31, A33. Again I shall write here plus. After the write this element plus 1 3. So here write plus A13 into. Now this element A13 is there in first row. The first row will be hidden and third column will be hidden. First row and third column will be hidden like this. Like this, we'll get the minor of A13 as A21, A22, A31, A32, A21, A22, A31, A32. Now calculate this one. Again I shall write implied that date A is equal to, here plus and plus will multiply together, we will get here only plus, the plus A11 will be written in bracket, and here you can see this is minor of A11, since A22 and A33 are elements of principal diagonal. The elements of principal diagonal will get multiplied together. We shall get A22, A33 minus elements of reverse diagonal will get multiplied. We will get here A23, A32 minus A12, again elements of principal diagonal are A21, A33 will get multiplied together. The A21, A33 minus elements of reverse diagonal will also get multiplied together. So we will get here A23, A31 plus A13 here you can see elements A21 and A32 are there in principal diagonal. Elements of principal diagonal A21 and A32 will get multiplied together. You will get here A21, A32 minus elements of reverse diagonal A22 and A31 will also get multiplied together. You will get here A22, A31. Elements of reverse diagonal A22 and A32 will get multiplied together. You will get this one. Now what will do next? Again I shall write implied that date A is equal to, now A11 will get enter inside, circle bracket will be broken. You will get here A11, A22, A33 minus A11 will get multiplied to A23 and A32. You will get here A11, A23, A32 minus A12 will get multiplied to A21, A33. 33. You will get here A12, A21, A33 minus A12 will also get multiplied to A23, A31. You will get here A12, A23, A31 plus A13, A21, A32 minus A13, A22, A31. The value of date we have got here A11 dot A22.833 minus A11.823.832 minus A12.821.833 minus A12.823.831 plus A13.821.832 minus A13.822.831. This one we have got here. The value of date here on calculation. Value of date A, we shall get a number, and this is a value of determinant date A, and we have got this value from square matrix. In this way, determinant is expressed, and notion of determinant is this one, date this one. Orders will have generally orders are 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, we shall take. This is the concept I have mentioned here related to determinant chapter 4 of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.